Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka People's Democratic Party kabalong ka sengsan pertai kabayatray lang hapo ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalasanya abay ha ka monjong menteri rangba ka Jilla u Conrad Konggal Sangma banshim ya karay laun wengno ya u James PK Sangma na kashuki kumu menteri Sarkar u President Jong ka PDF u ba Bante Dor Lingdo habayakran bat ka Batesi TV uliyatho ba ka PDF kum ka party kabayatray lang hapo ka Sarkar MDA kasanya abay ha u menteri rangba banshim ya karay bat ha kabayday bat ka jingthong jong ka Sarkar ya ka kinhon ka bantokin halor ka jingkno bamsap hapo ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited uba Bante Dor Lingdo uloong ba ka party ka padyang ngobha ya kani ka jingtokin kanang bakipay ba kin dubyo jingshai la ka jingkno ka long ni em ka bashisha.
It's that is it's a prerogative of a chief minister to decide, because as a coalition partner, if anything, we used to discuss directly with chief minister if any problem. Then and there we went and discussed with him so many issues, so many things also we have been discussed. Even this issue also we already been discussed with CM. But it's up to the CM to decide. We all see we are the part of the parcel of this coalition we are the coalition partner of this MDA government. So whatever it's thing is not going well, directly where I've stated, we went and discussed with Honorable CM. If it's not materialized, then it's different. But whatever we said, he listened. So that's why we are just waiting. Yes, very much. But see, I'll tell you, let it be. Till now they haven't started. Inquiry will be starting. So let's see how it's come out. Then we'll think about again. See, I'll tell you, this independent inquiry it has not yet been started. It will be. So let it be first, and we'll see what is the outcome. That we'll sit down and decide again. We are trying our best to to run the state for the benefit of our people of the state. What we want. As an opposition, they have to play their own role. That is a part of the politics, I'll tell you. So suppose if we also in the opposition, definitely we have to do that. That is a part of opposition. I don't have to comment anything, but wait till the Honorable Home Minister, Union Minister Amit Shah visit Shillong, then we'll see because it depends on the discussion with him along with the Cabinet Minister, with the different NGO, different leaders. I think he'll be invited, that's why.